extracorporeal myocardial revascularization. This medical device is used to treat patients with ischemic heart disease. Usually the conventional methods when people have ischemic heart disease is they go through heart surgery. With this medical device, you don't need to go through all these procedures. But with this new technology, without opening up the patient, it's an echo-guided therapy. It has a wide focal zone. With this machine, you can be guided to see the ischemic areas. Once you're able to focus on the ischemic areas, the shock waves are directed towards the ischemic areas. In a matter of time, new blood vessels are created, thereby improving the quality of life of the patient. We do know that the commonest cause of sudden death is ischemic heart disease.
The future of medicine is here in Nigeria. It is time to equip our hospitals, reduce medical tourism,